The definition of the salute supplied by the RCAF is an inward sign of outward respect. At each RCAF station is an attention area around the RCAF Ensign. In this area, there should be no smoking or conversation, and RCAF personnel are required to march, not walk. Each time the ensign is passed, it is saluted. At sunrise and sunset, the ensign is hoisted and lowered, and the bugler blows the calls, still, alert, and general salute, followed by the carry on after the raising or lowering.